Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna try to microwave unmicrowavable things. Ooh. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Come on, get in there.
What are you doing?
Come on, get in there.
What are you trying to do? That's not gonna fit in there. So the first thing we're gonna microwave it. Is this microwave friendly? I don't know, let me check. Yeah, this microwave is not friendly. What about that one? Which one? Oh, this one right here? Let's see. This microwave is very friendly. Okay, we're gonna use this one then. Okay guys, so we have the microwave set up right here. It's outside, of course. I'm not gonna do this stuff inside. I don't even know why I have to say this, but I'm gonna say it. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at work. Don't try this anywhere.
Don't try this at home, folks. I'm a trained professional.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot I have the fire extinguisher right here. The first thing I'm gonna do is this AXE Deodorant. Let's do it. Put it just like that. Let's do 10 minutes. Start. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something's going on there. Something is going on. Oh, there's fire coming out. There's fire coming out the microwave. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
What is going on? Ooh. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at the bottom, it's like concave. But there's still deodorant coming out. This microwave doesn't work anymore, and I have this giant firework. I'm gonna put it in there and light it on fire. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is crazy. Crazy. Oh, there's so much stuff in there. As you can see, I got a new microwave, so let's do the spray paint right now. Just gonna put it right there. 20 minutes and start. Something is happening. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think the paint is on fire.
What? It's on fire!
It's on fire! It's on fire! Come on, do something.
Come on, do something!
Or get the f off the stage!
Is it not gonna do anything? It's just gonna burn like that? Yeah, I think so. That's the paint. Okay guys, let's see what's going on in here. Ooh! We got the microwave red. It's all full of paint. Oh, look at the door. Look at the door. This plastic or whatever this is coming off. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. But yeah, looks like we painted the microwave a little bit, and this is kind of hot. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen when I microwave this butane fuel. This microwave right here doesn't work anymore, so 3, 2, 1. Now I have a bigger one. This is like twice the size.
It's twice the size of Texas.
Whoa! Let's assess the damages that happened with this microwave. Look at this door, it's coming off. There's absolutely nothing inside.
I'll pay for all of the damages.
And it is even bent right here. The metal is bent. This glass came off, and there's all kinds of parts everywhere. This is the third microwave right here. Now let's try the shaving foam. Start. Something is going on there already. But the question is it going to explode? Because that's what we need. Oh, I think there's some steam coming out. It's either steam or smoke. Okay, it's kind of scary, but let's see what's going on inside. Oh, we have some shaving foam. coming from the metal, not from the plastic. So the metal melted. Now it got me thinking, what is it gonna happen if I'm gonna hit it with this axe? So let's see. 3, 2, 1. Ooh! It's snowing. It's snowing in the middle of the summer.
Look! Look! It's snowing!
It's time for the construction foam. So let's do it. Let's put it in there like that. And now there's a little bit of smoke coming out. Now there's a lot of smoke coming out. Now there's even more smoke coming out. Uh-oh, it caught on fire. It got on fire. Oh, there's fire coming out the side of the microwave. Uh-oh. There's construction foam everywhere. Uh-oh. Ooh. There's a lot of great stuff coming out of this tube. Is it gonna expand and fill up the whole microwave? But this microwave just stopped working, so guess what we're gonna do to it? Gonna put one of these fireworks in there. Oh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my. That's just crazy.
That's just crazy.
And the foam is on fire. This is the whole microwave. The door just came off. And this is what's happening in there. This right here is microwave number 4. Those are the other 3. It's time to microwave a Monster energy drink. I just like my energy drink to be hot, so I'm gonna microwave a little bit. Start. Nothing is going on. Absolutely nothing. Now, this is the 4th microwave and it doesn't work anymore, so I put 1,000 firecrackers in there and I'm gonna light them on fire. That was 1,000? No way. How did it go that fast? Let's see what's happening in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. So much stuff in here. There's just so much paper in there. Oof. But this microwave is still in one piece, so you already know what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness. It survived. It didn't fall into pieces. I mean, the door is kind of trying to come off and all that, but it's still in one piece.
I can't believe it's still in one piece!
I can't just leave it like that in one piece. So let's do one more. Oh my god, the glass broke. The glass from the door just broke and the door is coming off. Well, it's not in one piece anymore, so we can leave it like that. Okay, so that's what's going on inside.